Are you looking for a fun way to learn? Comic books and graphic novels are here to help. They do more than entertain. They can boost education for young people and second language learners. Comic books make reading exciting. The combination of images and words captures attention. For young readers, visuals support comprehension. They clarify complex ideas and bring stories to life. First, let's talk about vocabulary. Comic books introduce new words in context. This helps second language learners understand the meaning. Pictures provide clues, making it easier to learn. Next, think about storytelling. Graphic novels use engaging narratives. This encourages students to form an emotional connection with the characters. They relate personal experiences to the storyline, which improves retention. Diving deeper, consider the social skills developed. Comics often explore themes like friendship, diversity, and empathy. Discussing these themes can spark meaningful conversations in the classroom. This helps students communicate better in any language. Now, let's highlight critical thinking. Analyzing how characters respond to challenges fosters problem-solving skills. Readers learn to predict outcomes and consider different perspectives. They become more analytical thinkers. Lastly, comic books foster creativity. Creating their comics allows students to express themselves. This can increase motivation and confidence in language use. In summary, comic books and graphic novels are powerful educational tools. They enhance vocabulary, storytelling, social skills, critical thinking, and creativity. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and enabling the notification bell. Share it with your friends, family, and followers on your favorite social media platforms. Your support helps us reach more people and make a more significant impact. Remember to tag us and tell others why you enjoyed it. Be the best version of yourself. Ready to elevate your learning experience? Grab a comic book today and start your adventure. Engage with stories and watch your skills soar.